Good morning, it's Tuesday, May the 20th, and I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the Halts, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Well, as you know, we didn't record a show yesterday, and that's because it was the Victoria Day long weekend here in Canada. So for those of you who are a Canadian audience, hopefully you all had a great weekend. Now, we've got three great press releases for you this morning. We've got two from the U.S. side, we've got one from the Canadian side, and I also have two halts for you. So without any further ado, let's get into our program. Top story I have for you is China Water and Drinks trades on the OTCBB under the symbol CWDKE. What we're reporting on is an acquisition by Heckman Corporation. They've announced that they're going to be acquiring China Water and Drinks for approximately $625 million, so significant acquisition. The acquisition will create a global water company platform, and they will be serving a fast-growing, underserved Chinese water market. Now, the bottled water market consumption in China is growing at twice the rate that it is in the U.S., so it's a fast-growing market. It's also got one of the lowest per capita bottled water consumptions of any developing country, combined with growing middle class, which will result in a large growth opportunity for the company. The deal, as I had mentioned, there's initial consideration of approximately $625 million, which includes approximately $455 million of stock and approximately $170 million of cash. Now, a little bit about Heckman. Their 2008 revenue and net income is expected to grow 288% and 260% year over year to $220 million and $70 million respectively, assuming the full year impact of the 5 acquisitions currently under contract or in negotiations go through. China Water and Drinks overview, a little bit about China Water and Drinks. They're a licensed bottled water producer and distributor operating plants in 6 cities with distribution in 14 provinces and regions across China. China Water is last trading at $9.75 off their 52-week high of $18.70. Moving on, General Automotive Company trades on the OTCBB under the symbol GNAU. Disclaimer time, they are an AGORACOM client. However, as always, the news stands on its own. General Automotive Company announced that it has entered into a partnership with EdgeTech Company to expand its OEM business. Under the new agreement, General Automotive will serve as the exclusive distributor for EdgeTech's next-generation rear vision and navigation systems in North America. The combined systems currently under development will offer instant rear visibility to help prevent backover or collisions or accidents, while providing GPS navigation and Bluetooth hands-free functionality using a single touch panel LCD monitor. Now, this is a function that I have in my car. I love it. I would think that it should be something that all cars should have on them in terms of safety and convenience. EdgeTech is a developer, manufacturer, and distributor of automotive, electronic parts, and game players. Now, I've got a comment from the President and CEO of General Automotive, Joe DeFranceschi, which states, "Our partnership with EdgeTech will help us bring an exciting new product with strong growth potential to our customers. EdgeTech has been working with one of our operating subsidiaries, Global Parts Direct, since 2004, and both our companies are dedicated to providing innovative, high-quality products, so it was an easy choice for our companies to partner." A little bit about General Automotive. They're a provider of original equipment and aftermarket automotive parts, mobile electronics, and related automotive products, and at multiple levels of distribution throughout the United States and internationally. The last at 61 cents off the 52-week high of $1.35. Final one I have for you, Western Geo Power trades on the venture under the symbol WGP, and for our European friends under the symbol WE6.F. Western Geo Power recently signed a substantial contract, $500 million power purchase agreement with NCPA. Excuse me. It is a signing of a power purchase agreement with the Northern California Power Agency, NCPA. It's a supply of approximately 265,000 megawatt hours. 1 megawatt hour is approximately 1 million watts per hour, so substantial. And this is per year of clean, renewable energy. The energy will be coming from Western GeoPower's 35 megawatt electric Unit 1 geothermal power plant, scheduled to come online in early 2010 at the Geysers Geothermal Field in Northern California. The power purchase agreement represents approximately $26 million per year in revenue to Western GeoPower and $520 million over the 20-year term of the contract. So great numbers coming out of GeoPower. Western GeoPower Corp. is a renewable energy company dedicated to the development of geothermal energy products for the delivery of clean, sustainable, baseload electricity generation. They're last at 40 cents off their 52-week high of 50 cents. That's it for the press releases, so moving on to our next segment, the halts. I've got two halts for you. First one I have, Quinto Mining, trades on the venture under the symbol QU. They've been halted pending news. And we've got Hunter Capital Corp, trades on the venture under the symbol RHC.P. They've been halted pending news. And that's a wrap for today. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts for you.